All right, guys, I just want to do a quick lesson to begin with on multiplying, dividing using algebra. So when we're talking about algebra, what we're really talking about is replacing a number with some kind of unknown thing. And it might be a letter or it might be a shape, that kind of thing. We're going to use letters. Before we get into that, I did want to just look at some strategies for solving algebra questions first. And so one thing that will help you when you're doing algebra questions is knowing inverse operations. In this case, knowing that multiplying and dividing are opposites or inverses can help you a lot. So I've given you guys a bit of practice with inverses first. And in class, we kind of called these fact families. So I've given you on the front page of your assignment a diagram. So I gave you a diagram here, and I wanted you to tell me all the math facts, multiplying and dividing math facts that would relate to this diagram. So for example, this diagram has 4 in the horizontal and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the vertical. So we know that 4 times 6 is, well, if I look at what I have here, there are 24 inside here. So 4 times 6 is 24. Now the fact that I know that also means that I know 3 other things. I also know that 6 times 4 is 24. And I know 24 divided by 6 is 4. And 24 divided by 4 is 6. So by knowing one thing, I actually know 4 things. Right? We practice that again on the next page. I'll leave you guys to do these other 2 on your own time. Let's just look at this top one here on the second page though. So on the second page, A is 3 times 6 is equal to 18. Now what I want you to do is I want to use this math fact to tell me 3 more related math facts that use inverse operations. So if I know 3 times 6 is 18, I also know that 6 times 3 is 18. And I know that 18 divided by 3 equals 6. And I know 18 divided by 6 is 3. I'll give you time to work on these other 3 on your own. But I did want to jump just to this last one here. It says use your knowledge of inverse operations to solve for the missing number. So I've left the missing number as just a letter. And in this case, in the first one, it's Z. Z times 3 equals 24. Well, I don't know Z times 3 equals 24 off the top of my head, but if I know that 24 divided by 3 is equal to, well, that's equal to 8, then I will know that 8 times 3 equals 24. So Z would have to be 8. There's 3 more there for you to do. All right, guys, I'll do a review video for this later. In the meantime, try and get the rest of these done on your own. Thanks.